class, that is moral reading of the story. What is the story name? Mole and Rat Find a Home. Who is the author of this story, children? Yes, that is Kenneth Grahame. Kenneth Grahame. Okay, he had written a beautiful story for us, right? Yes, before that, children, let us know who are main characters of this story. Okay, yes, the mole and the rat are the two main characters in this story. Okay, yes, children, let us know what is the sound of the mole and what is the sound of the rat. Okay, are you curious to know? Yes, children, just listen carefully the sound of the mole now. Okay, yes, mole sound. Yes, children, now let us listen the sound of a rat. Children, have you heard clearly the sound of mole and the sound of rat? Yes. Children, like that, different animals make different sounds, right? Yes. This is the speaking of a sound, speaking of style of animals. Okay, means with the making the sound itself, they are speaking, they are understanding each other. Okay, they are communicating each other. Okay, children, yes, like that mole and rat are also understanding each other. Okay, and how they will react each other and how they will help each other. Okay, let us know in this today's class. Okay, children, yes, before that, let us read a lesson. Open your textbook, the page number 26. Okay, let me read first some paragraphs. Listen carefully the pronunciation, children. Mole had not been home for a long time. From the time he had met Rat, he started to live on the river bank. One day, Mole wanted to see his own house. Ratty, I want to go home, cried Mole. I really miss my home, but I don't know where it is. When Rat heard this, he knew what to do. He had cheered up the mole. We are going to find your house, smiled Rat. They left home to find Mole's house. Mole followed his nose and Rat just followed him. Across a ditch, through the bushes and over a field, they searched for his home. Suddenly, Mole disappeared into a hole in the ground. Rat followed Mole down the hole and through the tunnel. At the end of it was a door. It was the door to Mole's house. Mole was very happy to see it. Okay, children, let us understand in our today's class these many paragraphs, okay, with the meanings. Okay, children, let us move on to the lesson now. Okay, Mole had not been home for a long time. Children, here Mole had left the house, its house, okay, before a long time he had left its home. Later what happened? From the time he had met Rat, he started to live on the river bank. Mole started to live on the river bank. See children, it is a picture of river bank. Bank means nadi tira, dada. Okay, so on the river bank, Mole started to live along with the rat. Okay. Okay children, now rat and mole becomes friends. Okay, since then they were living on the river bank. One day, what happened? Mole missing its home a lot. Okay, mole wanted to see its home back, its own house. It wanted to see its own house. What it says? He said to the rat. Mole saying to the rat, Ratty, I want to go home. I miss a lot. Okay, I want to go home. Crying mole. Cried. Mole is crying in front of the rat. Why? Ratty, I want to go home. I want to go home, like that it is crying. Then what the rat will say? Mole still it is continuing. I really miss my home. But I don't know where it is. But I don't know where it is. It is in the sad mode. It is expressing its feelings to the rat. Okay. Miss means what? To feel sad while remembering something. Okay. See children, you will be gone to somewhere, your village town. Your parents will be here. Okay. You will go on to your grandpa house or your uncle aunt's house. Okay. Some days you will be there. Okay. But after some days, you will remember your own house, right? And also you will feel you want to see your parents, your house, your neighbors. Okay. So you want to see your own house after a long time, right? Same thing happened in the mole's case. Okay, mole also want to see its own house. It is feeling so bad, so sad. Oh, so many days over, I did not see my house, like that. Okay, so how rat will help to the mole? Let us see now. Okay, yes, when rat heard this, when rat hearing the mole's crying, okay, then what it done? He knew what to do. Who know? Rat. Rat knows what to do. Yes, it was knowing. Okay, it is also intelligent children. Rat. Okay, then he had cheer up the mole. Now something it has to do. Right? Mole is sad now. Okay, mole is crying. Okay, so if your friend is sad, what you will do? You want to cheer up your friend, right? You say some jokes. You say some funny things. Something you will make and you make your friend to happy. Cheer up. Cheer up means what? Cheer up means to make someone feel happy or better. Okay, mole was sad. Okay, mole was sad. Rat is want to make mole happy. Cheer up, better. Okay, so that you want rat is cheer up the mole. How? It says something to the mole. What it says? Okay, we are going to find your house. Smiled rat. Okay, mole, don't worry. Now we are going to find your house. Like that, it is cheer upping the mole. Okay, then they both, mole, okay rat, now let's go. Like that mole said. Then both, they left the home to find the mole's house. Okay children, now both you can see in the picture in your textbook, both the rat and mole are going to search the mole's house. Okay, and where all they go, let us see now. Okay, before that, let us know children, what is the difference between mole and rat? Are they same? No, right? Yes, but what are the differences? Let us know now.
Children, mole is a mammal. It has a huge teeth. It runs backward as it runs forward. It is a tooth are hard and big. You can see in the picture which I given. Okay, and it has a poor vision children. Its making waste is very smelly, very bad smell, and it lives in a big colony. Children, mole is hairless. Okay, it will be about 6 to 7 inches long. Its eyes are very small and ears are invisible. Okay, ears will not be able to see, right? That is the special what creature or a special feature of a mole. Yes, children, then rat. Rat is a tiny animal. It has a sharp teeth and sharp nails in the ear, in the legs and hands. Okay, and it has a sharp eyes and visible very tiny ears. It will be of 3 to 4 inches long. It will be fast running animal, you can say. Both the mole and rat are living in the burrows and underground. Okay, but rat is a hairy animal. It has a more hair on its body, but mole has very less hair on its body, children. Okay, and children, both are the rodents.
Yes, children. Now you came to know differences between mole and rat, right? Mole is a mammal. Mammal means milk feeding animal. Okay, it feeds the milk to its babies. Okay, for that we say mammals. In your textbook there is a word. Mole are the small mammals. Okay, small mammals giving milk to their babies, and it lives in the underground. It also lives in the underground, and it has a extra thumb. Extra thumb. It is a special feature of the mole. Okay, children. Now both the rat and mole are going to search their house. Search the mole's house. Okay, and where all they search, where all they go. Let us see now. Okay, children. Come on. Mole followed his nose. Mole followed his nose. It means, children, mole followed its own way. Its own route it is moving on. Okay. Rat just followed him. See, you can see in the picture. Mole is front, rat is back. Okay. Rat is following the mole. Where all mole goes, the same route the rat is also following. See, rat also inspiring the mole. Hey, it is no big matter. We can search your home. Don't worry. Like that it is cheer upping a mole. So by that mole is getting inspired and itself it is going to search the house. Rat just following him. Okay, like that. Across a, where all they search? See now. Across a ditch. Yes, children, you can see the picture of ditch there. Ditch means a long narrow furrow dug in the ground. In the ground, a long narrow furrow digging. Dig ಮಾಡಿರೋದು, ತಗದಿರೋದು. Okay, ತೋಡಿರೋದು. Okay, that is dig narrow, that we say ditch. Okay, across a ditch, through the bushes. Through the bushes. Bushes means what? A woody plant that grows close to the ground. You can see, children, here bushes are the plants. Okay, woody plants means those are only sticks, not hard stem. It will be, won't be there. It will be very little sticky wooden plants. Those are grown not above the ground, close to the ground they will be grown. Means ground ಗೆ near ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ. Right? They will not grow higher, tall. Okay? They will be close to the ground, they will be spread over. Okay? So such plants we say bushes. What we say, children? Bushes. Through the bushes, over a field. Field means open land. Field means what, children? Open area. Okay, open area around over a field. They gone across a ditch, and through the bushes and all they are moving. What happened? They searched for his home. They are searching, where is the mole's house? Where is the mole's house? Like that. Then suddenly mole disappeared. Mole disappeared. Disappeared means what, children? Disappear means to move out of sight. It is disappearing. It is not looking. Okay. Suddenly mole invisible. It gone somewhere. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Disappeared. Right? Into a hole in the ground. Into a hole. Ditch was there, no? In that hole it has disappeared. Who? Mole. Then what the rat done? Let us see now. And rat saw here and there, where is the mole? Where it gone? Like that. And later it find the home. Oh, mole is moving there. Then rat followed the mole. Rat also followed the mole down the hole in the ground. It was gone in the hole, right? Yes. Down the hole and through the tunnel. Through the tunnel. What is meaning of tunnel, children? Is you can see the picture of tunnel here. Tunnel means a passage dug out under the ground. A passage dug out. ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಡರ್ ದ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ they are made long route. Okay, that we say tunnel. In Kannada we say suranga also, you can say suranga marga we say, right? Underground passage. Okay, that we say tunnel. Okay, through this tunnel this mole and rat going to search the house. What happened, surprisingly, at the end of the tunnel, they are going into the tunnel so far away. At the end of the tunnel, it was a door. It was a one door they found. Which door it was, Yes, it was the door to the mole's house. It was a door of the mole's house. Okay, finally they got the house. It was the door of a mole's house. Then, did they feel happy or sad, children? Yes, mole was very happy to see it. Oh, I got my house, like that. Okay, then rat also seeing the happiness of the mole. Oh, my friend, how happy he is, like that. Okay, mole finally it got the home and mole become very happy to see the mole's house, its own house. Yes, children. Yes. Is it interesting, children, the story? Yes. Yes, now they got the home. What they do inside the home? How the house will be there? Let us see in our next class. Okay, children? Okay. Now, till here, we understood the story with the meanings. Okay. Yes. Once again, I will show. This is the ditch. Okay. Ditch means a narrow furrow dig in the ground. Okay. Then bushes means they are the woody plants spread over the ground. Those are close to the ground. Okay. Then podegalu we say. Okay. Then this is the tunnel. It is a suranga. You can see. Okay. Mole had gone inside it. Okay. So this is the tunnel. Okay. Then you understood the meanings of these words. Yes, no, children? Field means it is an open land, right? Yes. Now, there is one activity for you, children. Okay, based on the grammar. Okay, let us see now. Yes, children, the activity is name the animals which live in the underground. Yes, children, in this story, mole and rat are the underground animals. Any other animals? Give me examples. Yes. Snail, hedgehog, right? Then bumblebees. Okay. Then snakes. Okay. Then ants. Okay. All these are the animals which live in the underground. Okay. So children, you have to make one activity, that is collecting the pictures of these animals which live in the underground. Okay. Then paste those pictures in the assignment book. Write their names. Okay. Any 5 or more pictures, if you are interested, minimum 5 pictures you have to collect. Okay, children, will you do this activity? Once again, shall I say what is an activity? Collect the 5 animals which live in the underground. Okay, collect the pictures and paste in the assignment book. Is it clear, children? Yes, now we are coming to the end of our today's class. And also, children, you have to practice the sound of mole and rat. How they make sound, right? So those sounds we practice, how the mole sound and how is the rat sound. Okay, children? Yes, and learn all these meanings and reading of a lesson also and understand the story. Okay, children? Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.